Welcome to How to Pronounce. In today's video, we'll be focusing on a new word that you might find challenging or intriguing. So without further ado, let's dive into today's word,
Tequila.
which means a distilled beverage made from the blue agave plant, primarily produced in the area surrounding the city of Tequila, 65 kilometers, 40 miles, northwest of Guadalajara, and in the highlands, Los Altos, of the central western Mexican state of Jalisco. Let's say it all together.
Tequila.
One more time.
Tequila.
Now let's split the word into syllables, and then pronounce each syllable one by one.
Tequila.
Thank you for joining us on this adventure in pronunciation. Remember, language is a journey, not a destination. Keep exploring, experimenting, and expanding your linguistic horizons. We'll see you next time.